In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Sumatra PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your PDF, then you want to right-click anywhere, and then from here it says Create Annotation under Cursor, and you have two options. You have text and you have free text. So if you put text over here, as you can see, it's going to be just like this icon over here. You could go and right-click and then edit text annotation, and you can put the content in here, change the icon and the color as well, okay? But if you actually want to put text on here, which is more convenient, you could go right click, create annotation under cursor, and click on free text. This is going to allow you to type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in hello there viewer like this. There we go. And then of course you can set the text alignment. So if I actually move this over a bit like that so we can see better, there we go. Text alignment, you can do left, right, center. You could go and change the font over here. You can change the size of it like this. You could go and change the text color to whatever you want, and then the border of the border as well. So you could do 0 if you want no border, but you could have one as well. And then you can also set the background color. You could have it, or you can be transparent. And yeah, that's essentially it. You can then move it around. You can resize it. You could do whatever you want with it. So that's how to add text in Sumatra PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.